Every time you open your feed, another AI startup is supposedly wiping out thousands of coding jobs. But if you look away from the consumer tech headlines, global commerce is actually facing a massive labor shortage. Massive companies like Coca Cola, BMW, and Nestle rely entirely on an invisible digital backbone called SAP to orchestrate their logistics, human resources, and finances. While the public panics over hypothetical AI replacements, Fortune 500 executives are struggling with a multi billion-dollar deficit of human talent to keep their core operations running. These corporations are currently executing the largest digital migrations in their history. They are tearing down decades old local servers and rebuilding their entire operational infrastructure in the cloud. To execute a structural overhaul on that scale, a company needs an army of skilled workers, but that talent pool is practically empty. The sheer size of this mandatory transition, paired with a severe lack of specialized talent, creates an incredibly lucrative market inefficiency. You cannot run a global supply chain on a trendy chatbot. Legacy corporations are locked into enterprise software. They have billions of dollars and decades of custom built business logic permanently tied into their current architecture. The switching costs are astronomically high. To reach modern cloud architecture, massive monolithic legacy systems must be broken apart into a decentralized network. Every decades old operational process undergoes meticulous translation. This mapping requires human intervention, driving companies to aggressively hire analysts and specialized consultants to wire these nodes together. Demand for these roles is completely insulated from tech trends. It is dictated by the immovable operational realities of the world's largest companies. So, if the demand is peaking, why isn't the broader tech workforce swarming to fill the gap right now? The software has a notorious reputation. It is viewed as deeply complex with an intimidating learning curve that keeps new talent away. Simultaneously, the original generation of legacy software experts is aging out and retiring, opening up urgent vacancies at the senior level. Meanwhile, young entry level talent is actively distracted by consumer AI startups, ignoring enterprise infrastructure entirely. This graph charts the resulting artificial market bottleneck. You have a sharply rising curve of corporate demand, colliding with a steadily declining curve of available talent. The widening void between them is where the opportunity sits. Some assume that AI will eventually evolve to automate these migration roles, but the operational reality is different. AI is deployed as an embedded assistant to speed up workflows, not as an autonomous agent. Enterprise AI has strict limitations. It requires perfectly clean data inputs, explicit process logic, and rigid rules to function safely. Auditing that data and setting those rules requires a human operator with technological fluency and deep business acumen. AI serves as a direct upgrade to the enterprise consultant's toolkit. Those who learn to wield AI within these systems become geometrically more valuable. We are looking at historically high corporate demand colliding with an artificially suppressed supply of talent. For anyone willing to bypass the hype and actually learn the ecosystem, this is a rare career arbitrage opportunity. The ideal candidates to exploit this gap are professionals transitioning from operational backgrounds like finance, logistics, or human resources. Prior business experience is an unfair advantage here. If you come from operations, you already instinctively understand the real world problems the software is trying to solve. The immediate next step is to stop looking at generalized tech trends. You need to select a specific operational module like FICO for finance, MM for materials, or SD for sales that directly aligns with your past career. Ignore the pervasive AI noise. If you want to exploit this massive market gap, check out the targeted training programs linked in the description below and position yourself perfectly within the enterprise talent vacuum.